Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Yeah, so now today we are back, guys. We are back. We are here. As you can see, today I managed to fix my template. Uh, my template. So yeah, we are here today, guys. We are here today. Is the day. This move I was supposed to have sold there, but it's all good. It's all good. Hello, guys. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, gold is melting, no? Hey, gold is melting. Nice. It's moving beautifully today. See this candle here. They're gonna be dropping probably for this whole day. Yeah, but I'm still. They hit the high of the day. They were playing around this area. And then some of you will say this is like resistant level, because they're resisting to break this level there. But yeah, we'll wait and see, because now I took time to even come into the market today. Then I wasn't able to take the trade, so we have to wait and see what the market does. Now all we can wait for is this type of move. Is a move up, and then we drop it. Let me make this a bit thicker. That's fine. Just make it thicker. Yeah. So that's what I'm waiting for now. But they can still continue just dropping down. But for me, I'm gonna be looking for my MW pattern here, my M pattern. I know they did it on London session, but I'm waiting for it outside of London. But even here, it's London. I mean, they did it in Asian session, the first leg, second leg. But I'm still hoping they'll come back up and give us another entry. But otherwise, if they don't do that, then we're not taking the trade. Right, so we're not gonna be taking the trade. Um, Hi guys, we back. Yeah, we back, guys. We are gonna be live streaming again today. Ish. The weather outside is a little bit cold today, but yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good. Hi guys. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, guys. Today, I wanted to talk about a serious topic, but I don't know. I don't know. You know, which is like believing in yourself. Like there's a lot of negative things going around. There's a lot that happens, so you need to have uh, a strong mindset, guys. You need to believe in yourself. That's the one thing you need to do, right? That's the one thing that's very important in trading. Your psychology is very important when it comes to trading, right? Yeah, but yeah, anyway, we're gonna be looking for these trades today. We're gonna be looking for that M pattern today and see if they're giving us a M pattern. Right now I'm seeing them reject on the 15-minute. Hopefully they give us a hammer where they are and start pushing it up before we go down again. But yeah, we will just have to wait and see and how the market behaves. Guys, please, all I'm asking, guys, just please like the video. um, that's all I'm asking for me to share all of this information and things like that, right? Just like the video, it really helps me out and it helps other people to see this video also. Someone out there might need to see the video, might need the type of talks we're talking about here, right? That can help us grow as people, but yeah, anyway, guys, I'm here. If you have any questions you want to ask, you can gladly ask me. I'm here, guys. I'm here to help, I'm here to motivate, I'm here to do everything. Yeah, they gave a hammer there, and they gave me a hammer. Let's hope they push it up. Let's hope gold does the right thing. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we are here waiting for this beautiful setup to happen today. I'm hoping it's gonna be a beautiful day, you know. even with anybody else, I hope you guys are having a good day. You know, let's keep pushing, guys. Let's keep moving. I missed us earlier now, but we're just waiting to see if our entry was supposed to be somewhere here. But we missed it. Yeah, guys. So we are here. Any questions today? I'm here, guys. You know, as we always do, if you have questions, I'm prepared. I am ready to answer them. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Hey guys, also if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the boy. We're sharing knowledge here. We're growing each other. So yeah. If you have any questions, also feel free. Don't be shy to ask. You never know. You might get help. I might be able to help you with your question, and if you have anything, I might be able to help you. So yeah, guys, I'm here. We're just waiting for setups to happen. Yeah, although even this looks like a nice setup because they're bouncing on the 200 EMA here. It's a EMA bounce. Let me do this then, because this thing, yeah, you see, it looks like they wanna give us a W, but for me, I'm looking for sales on gold because it's been oversold too much. I mean, it's been overbought a lot, right? But I still see what this looks like. This looks like a W pattern, right? So they might be pushing it up like this. But now the only thing that London opened there, you see, that's my thing there, because our entry was supposed to be here, because then it looks like a M pattern like this. It was like this, right? And then the drop, right? So they might be melting. Even if we go to the hour ish, they might be going down all the way to the 200 EMA there, to give us a reset. But we'll see. We'll just wait and see, and wait for the structure to play out, and then we take it from there, right? Yeah, we don't just do what we want to do. We wait for confirmations also for our trades to, because if they go up like this and they close above the 13 EMA, that's still also a nice signal to buy, because they bounced off the 200 EMA. It's the 200 EMA bounce. So yeah, I'm here, guys. I'm here to answer any questions. If you haven't followed the boy, you must please follow the boy. Yeah, we're here to motivate each other and help each other grow. Let me check some messages. I'll be back now. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna have to be buying the market today because of this setup that they are giving us. This W, it really looks very nice, and I'm checking it here now. This W looks very nice, very very nice. You see, this is our neckline, first leg, and then second leg here. Hi brother, can you teach me how to count the levels correctly? All right, chief. You know with the levels, guys. I always tell these guys, Uguti, for you to count levels properly, you need to understand how they do the pullbacks, right? How they do the pullbacks. Sorry, let me just switch off that thing there. All right. So as I said, uh, let me put this side. Okay. Yeah. You see, when you're counting levels, ne, the one thing you need to understand, ne, is you need to see a clean pullback. Once you see a clean pullback, then that's where you can take your trade, and that's how you count your levels, right? um, for example, this is what I've been drawing since even from yesterday, right? When I showed you guys with, like, this is a consolidation phase, right? This was a consolidation, and then the fake move. um, okay, we do this and this. Yeah, so for example, here you see here, ne, how you count your levels is, this is one, right? This was one, right? And then you get a nice pullback, right? A nice pullback up to the 13 EMA again, right? So this pullback, let me change the color for this. Make it green, right, for now. Okay, let me make it black because now the green color is okay. Yeah, so this was your first drop, and then this is your second ish. Why is this thing doing that? Okay, let me just fix it proper, guys, so you can see and so I can explain this thing nicely to you, right? And then you get a nice pullback, right? Then after the pullback, what you get is another push down, right? After that push down, you get another clean pullback, right? And then what happens? You get another push down, right? So that's how you count your level. So this, you would say maybe this is your level one. Let me make it black. Okay, let's increase the size so you can see, right? That's level one. Level two, and then level 3, right? Level 3, right? So that's how you see how you count your levels, right? You get a nice clean push, and you must wait for a pullback, right? And level 1, you only know that level 1 is done after they've broken it. You see, after they break level 1 here, that's how you know now your level 1 is being completed here, right? After they break it here, level 1 is complete. Then after they break level 2 here, they break level 2, and then you know level 2 is completed. Now this is level 3. But if they haven't broken it, you are still in level 2. If they don't break that level down there, you are still in level 2 until they break it, and then you count this as 3. But if they haven't broken it, no, you don't count it, right? You don't count it. Right now I'm using the week. I just wanted to explain, okay, because saying Snowly, which time frame are you using? I'm using the week because the my guy here was asking me, Guti, hi brother, can you teach me how to count levels correctly? So this is how you count your levels correctly, right? You need to see a nice clean push, level 1, and then they pull back. After they pull back, you wait. This is where sometimes you'll take your secondary entry. You take your entry here, and then once they break that low, level 1's low, then you say, now this is your level 2, right? They pull back again. Once they break level 2, then you say, now this is a clean level 3, right? uh, is it necessary that a consolidation should also present and also a fake move to? Is it necessary that a consolidation should also present? Yeah, remember, not always, right? Because sometimes they don't do, you see, like here, right? Once they start moving, right, the consolidation is not a lot, because this pullback going upwards, it's a consolidation. Because if you can count the days that they chilled here, right? Because, oh, okay, this is a week. Each candle takes a week to form here. We count this as a consolidation area, and then the drop again. They pull back, this whole pullback going up. And remember, there's rules, right? There's rules. When you're trading the BTMM, there's rules. Level 1, you don't counter trend, meaning you don't trade back to the peak from level 1. You don't trade back to the peak. After level 1, you don't trade back to the peak. You just wait for your setup to drop, right? um, Even if you're using a smaller time frame, guys, this is just an example of how you count levels. All right, even if you're using a 15-minute time frame, you don't counter back to level 1 from the peak, right? You don't trade back to the peak, right? So level 2, you can counter. Level 3, you counter, right? But level 3, obvious, and then you're looking for your reversal pattern, right? But after level 2, you do counter. You can buy. After they giving you level 2, you can buy back to the peak, because maybe usually um, the 5200 cross, they bounced on it on level 2, and then they dropped, right? And then the second move you're waiting for is for them to come back and bounce again on the 200 EMA, or 50 in this instant, right? They bounce on the 15, then they drop again, right? So this also classified as a pull, as a consolidation yana. But on an overall structure, your consolidation is usually your agent session, right? Let me go to a 15-minute. You see like here, right? This we count as a consolidate. This whole place is being, they are consolidating. Look at this. They give you a W pattern, a type 1 out of the Asian box. They drop it down. They give us a W pattern on the 200 EMA also, right? You take your buy. um, You enter just here, just after they closed above the 13 EMA, right? You take your move. Then they end the day into consolidation. Then the next day, what are you expecting? Stop hunt low, rise. The next day, what are you expecting? Stop hunt low, rise. But this is also considered as a consolidation into the Asian session, right? And then the next day it's a straight away. You see like how they hit it once and they give us a straight away because they've already trapped people here. They don't want to come back and release those traders, right? So that's why you the consolidation will be there, but if you know where you are with the levels, then you won't get confused too much about the consolidation area and stuff like that. You see, because even when you can look at this, it looked like the market is flat, right? It's flat, and then they gave us the W here also on the 200 EMA, and then they pushed it up. Right now also it looks like the market is flat, right? If you can check here, it looks like the market is flat. This whole part looks like a consolidation, right? So on a bigger time frame, if you know where we are, and then you understand why they're busy consolidating, they're hitting it up and down, meaning we in level 3. Level 3 usually does this. They hit it up and down, up and down, up and down before they start moving again. So they might be resetting and giving us a new peak. It might be a peak low. As I said, I'm seeing a nice W here. It might be a peak low to move it back up, or it might be a peak high to drop it. Yeah. So I hope you understand, my brother. Thank you, brother. Just last favor, can you show me what the MM cycle clearly? Or can I show you the MM cycle clearly, the BTMM cycle, right? Okay, the cycle. Even yesterday, guys, oh no, don't delete the indicator. Delete this. Okay. Even yesterday, guys, I showed you the cycle, right? Let me delete that thing. Where was I? Let me delete this. Okay. Then I'm gonna go to a week. Okay. Let me put it back like that. So I'm gonna move this to this side so I can show you the cycle, right? So these, what I was marking here right now, right? These we call pushes, right? Okay, let's say this is your consolidation area, right? As I marked. Then, okay, let me even do this. Make it so proper so you can see what I'm saying. This is your Asian session, right? Yeah, blue box, right? So after the blue box, then you get this peak formation high, right? Let me change the color for this one. Make it black. Let's see. It's fine. And then hey, what are you doing? Peak formation high. All right. So you get a peak formation high, and then you get your vector pushes. These are your vector pushes, right? The pushes going to the EMA where we look for setups, right? So these are the vector pushes. Is push 1, push 2, push 3, right? I can even mark it like this. Okay, make this a little bit smaller. Oh, let me see. Okay, no, it ended there. It's fine. Make it smaller and so we can be able to see clearly, guys. So yeah, so push 1, and then we're gonna get push 2, and then we're gonna get push 3. Right, now this is the cycle, right? That's what you need to look for. You coming into the market, and this is how you mark your graph, right? This is how you do homework, right? This is how you see how we're writing right now. This is how you do homework. And then after you get your three pushes, your three vector pushes, right? Then we got a peak low. And where did we get the peak low? On top of the 200 EMA, right? Now this is our peak formation low. Peak formation low, right? So after the peak formation low, then we start counting levels. Then now these are your levels. This is level 1 push, right? And inside level 1, I always say, and I always teach this, inside level 1 there's gonna be 3 pushes inside level 1. So then we say this is our level 1. Let me put it this side, level 1, right? And then you start getting that consolidation I was speaking about, right? That small pullback, right? And then we get our level 2 push, which was also on top of the 50 EMA here. This is also, we call this also a peak low, because they gave us a low here. So this is also a peak formation low, right? But it's WVVM, right? How Steve says it. So this is level 2, right? And then now we we get a bounce there. It's a W pattern that they are giving there for pushing for level 3, right? um, if we can zoom it in, you'll see, uh, you see the nice clean W here. I hope you can see it, right? And then was our neckline, second leg here, and then the push up, right? Now this is our level 3, right? So once you see, this is the market maker cycle, right? This is the whole cycle. Yeah, now this is the BTMM cycle, right? So we're still expecting them to still push it up a bit, but I feel like they still needed to drop and give us a setup before they continue going up. But we'll just wait and see, maybe on the 50 or the 13 or the 50 EMA, right? They might drop and come give us another W here to go to push it up. But already this was like our anchor, so we can also say this was our peak formation low. This was our peak formation low here, right? And now what we're looking for are the 3 pushes inside of level 3, right? The 3 pushes inside of level 3. So they need to give us 3 pushes inside of level 3, and then you know the cycle has been completed, right? So now this whole thing, this whole picture like this is your BTMM cycle, right? It's the market maker cycle, right? You get your consolidation phase, your peak formation, your fake move out of the Asian session, then the drop, the real fake move. Because think about it, they push it up, they drop it down, even much down. And this is now type 1 pattern in a higher time frame, in a weak structure. This is now level 1, type 1, right? Mm, type 1. Make it bigger because this is like a bigger structure. So this is a type 1, right, where now they pushed outside of the Asian box below it and give us a W pattern. We call this a type 1, right? And then level 1 starts. After you must see these pushes. These pushes are very important. If you don't see the pushes, even on a lower time frame, that's what you look for. You look for your 3 pushes, then you get your W or M pattern, then you start counting your levels, right? So this is the market maker cycle, guys. This is the market maker cycle. Let me move this. It's just making my graph dirty, as it was just an example of the W pattern they gave there, right? So now this is your cycle. This is the market maker cycle, or the BTMM cycle. So this is what you need to mark and look for in the market every time. So even on your lower time frame, like for example, you're gonna go to an hour time frame, right? Oh, what's happening here? Okay, just hold on, guys. Ah, this thing. Why? Why is it so much open? Okay, yeah, much better. So even on smaller time frames, like you look for those type of patterns. You look for your Asian session box. Okay, let me even go to a lower time frame straight. All right, you need to see your level 1. I mean your box, your Asian box. So right now, as you can see, this is exactly also what they are doing. Yo, I hope I didn't delete that indicator, but yeah, it's fine. I'll put it back if I did. I just want to show you guys. Right, so now this is our Asian session, right? This is our Asian session box. So now the close of Asian session, right? Then they spike it up to give us what, the peak formation high, as I was marking it in the bigger time frame. And then this is our peak formation high, right? And then you get your 3 pushes now inside here, which is 1, right? That green candle separates this other level, and then this is 2. These are pushes now, right? And then you get this green candle also, which was a hammer, and then you get your third push down. Let me put it proper. Your third push down. Right, so now since we gotten this, we know. Oh, how, why does this thing doesn't want to go that way? Chief. Okay, let me move this to this side for now. Okay, yeah, now after those 3 pushes, ne, and then we're looking for that W pattern here. Oh no, no. We're looking for a W pattern, and as you can see, this also looks like a type 1, right? This also looks like a type 1 pattern, right? So type 1 is when they get out of the box, right? They move out of the box and then give you the structure below, right? And then type 2 is when they on the low or high of the session, right? Then that's type 2. Type 3 is when they're in the middle, and usually when they're in the middle, it's a 50-50 bounce. That's what they call it, because it's in the middle of the Asian range, which is the 50 area. You'll find that the 50 EMA is also here. They bouncing off it, they making the structure, and also on the TDI will be on the 50 range around this area. So that will be your type 3 pattern. So now since they pulling it back, they pulling it down, it's they giving us a type 1. And you see the 200 EMA is also here, right? So yeah, can't thank you enough, brother. I have most important question: how do how to be consistently profitable? I'm struggling from years to find consistency. Okay, remember, for you to find consistency, brother, you're gonna have to have rules, right? Saying, Guti, I'm only trading a 0.01 for this next couple of months. That's how you build consistency. And you need, let's say you are trading um, the 50 EMA, the 50 200 EMA cross, right? That's what you're trading. So all you look for is for your 50 200 EMA to cross, and then the bounce back to the EMA, and then that's when you take your trade. That's all you look for. If you don't see that, you don't take a trade. That's how you become consistent, bruh. If you don't see what you need to see, don't take the trade. Don't ever take the trade, right? So if they cross here, your 50 200 crossed, right, and then they push it up, the pull back to the 200 EMA, and then you take your trade here, because this was your first leg, second leg, and then you take your trade. All right, you don't compromise your rules. Even when your lot size, you don't change your lot size until you start seeing momentum, right? If now you start seeing that you're growing, then you increase your lot size to maybe 2, right? You go to 2, 0.02, and then you stick to it. If you see it still moving, then that's how you become consistent. All right, as I was saying yesterday, you see, the biggest thing is for us to know how to hold. If you can hold one account just for 3 months, then a lot can change for you, bro. A lot can change. You can become consistently profitable if you can just hold one account for 3 months, right? Because even the brokers know, Guti, a lot of people can't hold their accounts for 3 months. They end up blowing them, right? But yeah, is the what's this? Is there Fibonacci? Is that what you are saying? Is there a Fibonacci zone for BTMM? Or what are you saying? What's the FIB? Is it FIB value? Yeah, FIB zone. I don't know. What's a FIB zone, bruh? For BTMM? I don't know. All I know, there's a zone of interest. They also do use Fibonacci in BTMM, but it's just how you um how can I say, how you get to see the market. Because Steve always says don't add things into his strategy. Don't add. You only use your Fibonacci, I don't know for what, but yeah, you only use it for certain things to know where the zones of interests are, right? But for me, the EMAs, that's what the EMAs are there for, to show you the zones of interest. Because if they're bouncing on top of the 50 EMA, that's your zone of interest, right? That's your zone of interest. If they're bouncing on top of the 50 EMA, in the 200 EMA, or the 50 or the 800 EMA, those are your zones of interest. All right, that's what you look for. All right, because even here, look at how nice these pushes are: 1, 2, and then 3 push. But in this instance, I only see 2 pushes. This third one didn't break this um, low there, then I can't count it as my level 3. All right, but there's 3 pushes. But this, okay, let's rather say there's 2, because it's 1, 2, right? There's two pushes there. Huh? Yeah. Oh, let me mark it here so I can see it clearly and then zoom it in. Yeah, I thought as much. But that's not the zone I was looking at. Ah, where did it go now? Yeah, there. You see, so that's one pull back, and then that's two a pull back, and the three didn't finish, right? But for me, I feel like they've already trapped the money down there. That's why they didn't go that down there. They gave the W here. See the small W here, the neckline. They gave another second leg there, right? So I don't know if that's the Fibonacci zones you're speaking about. I'm not sure, my guy, but yeah, the Steve has talking about the zone, the Fibonacci, how what you use it for. For me, I don't use the Fibonacci, right? I use my EMAs as zone of interests, right? So yeah, thank you, brother. Lots of love and blessings to you. No, thank you, my man. Thank you. Also for liking the video. You know, it really helps the brother out here. Because as I said, for me, I'm sharing knowledge, guys, with you. Um, that's what I'm here for. All right, I'm here to share knowledge for us to grow as traders. Because you know, in this business, if you don't have people like me, now I wish I had someone that could show me these things when I first started out. I would have been far by now. Maybe I would have been a millionaire already. But everything happens for a reason. Me, I'm not in a rush for that, but because I know I'm already successful. In my mind, I'm successful, right? The money might not be here, the millions, but in my feeling, my guts, my feeling, I know I'm already successful. So that's why for me, this is everything, bruh. That's why I love marking the graph. That's why I like spending time with the market, because I know that it's it's already there, bruh. It's already there. I feel it. I see it. The money is already there. Yeah, it's just that I need to have it physically, but it's already there. You see, if you feel it and you see it in yourself, chief, then you've already achieved it, right? So yeah, no problem, guys. If you have questions, guys, please don't be shy, guys. If you're shy to ask questions, you might miss the opportunity. You never know. Tomorrow I might not be here, guys, you know, to show you these things. You know, I might be busy, I might be doing other things, and I can't live stream like this to be able to talk to you, because this is the perfect time for you to learn and to get to understand what you've been missing in your trading, right? And I'm not saying with, as I'm saying, I'm not saying with I'm the best. I'm blind. No. I'm teaching you what I know, what I've been studying, what I know. This is what I know, and this is what I see in the market, right? Yeah. So don't take it wrong, guys. But yeah, if you have any other questions, guys, I'm here. I'm here. Hope must still explain uh, that FIB zone. I think, but you were saying Fibonacci zone. But yeah, it's all good, my man. It's all good. Don't be shy, guys. Do not be shy. Uh, okay. Sorry, guys. One second. Yeah. We are back, guys. I'm back. But yeah, guys, don't leave this opportunity, guys. For me, I'll be asking every question that I would love to know about anything in trading in general, you know. And you see, as you said, with how you become consistently profitable, you need to have rules, chief. You need to have rules set in place. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I do. If you don't see those things, you don't take a trade. You do not take a trade, right? As I'm always saying, with me also, me, I don't take trades if I don't see my setup, right? I wait. You see, as in right now, as I'm saying, the 1 2 3 pushes down, they must give me a nice clean W here before I can take a trade. If they don't do that, me, I'm not gonna take a trade, right? That day I'll rather not trade, right? And once you know, okay, even when you make a loss, right? When you make a loss, move out of the market. I was saying this yesterday. Move out of the market. It's gonna help you because once you come back into the market, you come back with a clean mind, clean head. You know what you need to do, and you know what you're looking for. If you know what you're gonna be hitting 50 USD, 100 USD in one trade, you can't cry for $10, chief. You can't. You can't cry for $10. You cannot cry. Yes, Fibonacci zones. Oh, okay. EMA's zones. Thank you, bro. Yeah, for us, those are the zones, bro. You look for you see the zone of interest even right now, right? The zone of interest is here, because they on the 200 EMA, right? And is this is our Asian session, right? This is our London Open here, right? London Open. Okay, Asian session box closes, the fake move up. London opens, the fake move down, right? And then they give us a structure below the Asian session. Some people are trading the breakouts. You see, they broke out a little bit here, people thinking it's gonna go up. Or they break out down here, you thinking it's gonna go down. You sell here, hey, you're gonna see flames. Because you see, once they broken it, they came to retest it here. Some people took sales here. Dangerous, dangerous. You don't take sale. We go against the herd, right? We go against the herd. If everybody is selling, me, I'm buying. Imagine if the graph is moving down the whole day they're moving down. Now in New York, I'm buying. There's no way it's gonna be moving down the whole day, so everybody is seeing sells. Let's say they do 1 2 3 pushes down to New York session, and you still wanna sell. Like, no. We are buying. We will buy that market. We are buying it, especially if now they own our zone of interest. They bounce on the 800 EMA, or they bounce on the 200 EMA or 50. We're taking the trade, chief, with confidence. Even they give me a W here, I take the trade with confidence, right? So if you follow all your rules and you still make a loss, that loss is not a bad loss, guys. Don't take that as a bad loss. That loss, you take it with confidence because you followed all your rules. You followed all your rules that you put in place. So you don't cry for that loss, right? And you see right now, ne, as we are here, if for example they're gonna go up and come back down again, when we take the trade here down below here, our stop loss goes below the structure. It's very small. Like, you're willing to lose maybe even $5 sometimes to take this trade going all the way up, right? But you are willing to gain a lot more than what you are risking, right? Because you took it on the low, because this is the low. If you put maybe 5 pips below your structure, maybe 5 pips just below your structure there, it's a good trade. Personally, please, I want to understand how to use those moving averages you are using. Ish. Okay, firstly, you need to, because you said to me you were using support and resistance, right? It's gonna be difficult to be switching, but if you wanna switch, you're gonna have to stick to these EMAs, right? You're gonna have to stick to the BTMM strategy, right? because now if you're gonna move from support and resistance and you see us doing these moving averages, you're gonna start doing moving averages, and then you see someone else doing order blocks, you're gonna wanna go do order blocks. It's not good. Stick to one, stick to one, and then you master that one, then you'll be good, right? But with the EMAs, these are the BTMM EMAs, right? We're using the yellow one is the 5 EMA, right? The red is the 13 EMA. They all exponential. All of them are exponential moving averages. And then this one, the water, is the blue one. Is the 50 EMA. This is the 200 EMA, and then there's the 800 EMA. This one, right? The blueberry. So with these strategies, all of them have their own setups, right? So you need to pick one strategy, one setup, and master that setup, and then you can move to the next one and the next one, like that, right? So for example, as I'm saying, if the 1350 cross, right, the 1350 cross, when the 13 and 50 crosses, that's a sign of a peak lock. This peak has been locked, right? Okay, sorry guys, I'm coming now. Okay, yeah, no, sorry guys, sorry about that. Someone was calling me. In fact, I need to put my phone on flight mode when I'm doing these lives, right? I need to put them on flight mode. So yeah, as I was saying, yo, yeah, ne, I today. Okay, ish, sorry guys, sorry. Ish, and they still gonna call me again. Yeah, but it's all good. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, you see the 50 EMA, the moving averages, right? That's how you pick one. If you're gonna be dealing with the peak lock, that's all you trade. If you're gonna be dealing with the safety trade, the 50 200 cross, that's all you're gonna be looking for, right? So if you're looking for the 800 EMA, those are usually your swing trades, because once they bounce on the 800 EMA is usually a reset, right? When they bounce on the 800, it's a reset, and then you take that W, you hold it, right? When you hold it from the 800 EMA, you know which they still gonna do a 50, a 1350 cross, a 200 and a 50 200 cross, and then you're gonna go into level 3, right? And usually also the 800 is gonna cross with the 200, the 200 800 cross, then you the bounce again on top of the 800 EMA, then you take the trade. So that's what you look for, even on your phone. Also with the TDI, also if you need to have it when you're trading the BTMM, to know where it's oversold, know where it's overbought. Sometimes the moves happen when they give us a shark fin, first leg outside the bands, inside the bands, right? You see, like outside the bands, outside the Bollinger bands, and then inside. This is the first leg, second leg, and you'll find that this is higher than this one, but on the TDI is not, right? So that's how you use your TDI for shark fins. Even maybe like on this one, this move. Let me zoom it in. I saw it there. You see the shark fin out of the band, inside the band. Even this one looks beautiful. Look at this W, right? This one was outside the bands. It came back inside the bands. You take the trade with confidence. That W there was very nice. Very nice W. You see, can you see this W? It's almost on the same size, but here it was outside the band, inside the band. Then that's how you use your TDI, and then you take the trade from there with confidence, right? You take it with confidence. But yeah, that's how we use the EMAs, right? Also with exiting, like you see, maybe let's say you'll take the trade on the peak like this. Your take profits is the 50 EMA, your 200 EMA, and your 800 EMA. Those are your three take profits, right? So if now we're starting into a downtrend, you take your sell here, and then the market is dropping. Once they bounce on the 200 EMA, you take profit, right? Once they bounce on the 800 EMA, you take profit, right? Let's say you had a 0.05 running. Once they get here, you take half of it. You take two, you close two, and then you leave three running, right? And then you leave it to run, or you take three out, you leave two running, because now to drop it to the 800 EMA, it might be risky, because sometimes they give us the structure on the 200 EMA, right? So yeah, that's how you use the EMAs to trade them. You use it to take profit, and you use them to take setups, right? To take your entries and your trades, right? So that's how you use the EMAs, right? So yeah, yes, don't forget to like the video, guys. Don't forget to like the video. It really helps, for other people to also see the stream, because we're sharing knowledge here. As I always say, guys, we're sharing knowledge. Yeah, so guys, please do that for me, and I'll share everything, guys. I'm willing to share everything with you. You see, like even right now, it looks like they're pulling outside the bands. They might give us a shark fin here, and then when they come for a second leg, it's inside the bands. We take the trade with confidence, guys. We don't hesitate there. We don't hesitate. And plus, as I said, we saw our three pushes down. Look at this on the hour. Look at this, 1 2 3 candles going down. This one we don't count. This is the hammer. Maybe you took this in the morning, that you took the trade here after the doji, I mean, right? Because it's a week at the bottom, a week at the top. It's a doji. After they give you the doji, you come in 1 2 3 pushes down, right? And then we wait for our W pattern. You take your profit on the 50 EMA. As I said, we would have taken our trade here, and look at this, almost 90 pips well, around there, around 90 pips. But if you hold maybe 400, you would have still hit your take profit. Because for me, I always say gold moves a lot, so 100 pips you can hit it easy on gold. It moves 100 pips usually in one move. Even when they are fake, it's a fake move, it's a 100 pip move, the original move also 100 and plus. It could be more because in the levels they move more pips. How many trades do you take per week on average? It depends, bruh. It depends. I cannot say I'm taking 5 trades a week or 10 trades a week. It depends. If, for example, yesterday we took a trade, it didn't work out. They hit my break even. They hit my stop loss at break even, right? That's one. Today we're looking for a setup. If we find a setup, we take it. If we don't find, we don't take it, right? So in a week maybe I can, it depends on the week. Sometimes other weeks are slow, sometimes other weeks are fast. They give you a lot of setups during the week. Every day they give you a setup. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they give you 3 setups a week. Sometimes they give you 2 setups a week. And for me, as I always say, I'm trading one pair, guys. I'm only trading gold. So for me, I will have to wait for my setup. I cannot say no, now I'm gonna go to Euro USD and go check for a setup there, or take that setup on Euro USD. No, I love gold. I love how it moves. For me, it's good, you know. And then that's how I trade. But yeah, it depends on the market, my guy. It's not always gonna be 10 trades a week, you know. But for me, I only take trades when I see them, because for me, I follow the structure. That's the most important thing. I follow the structure, the BTMM cycle. I follow it and I follow the structure. I know my levels. I know where we are. I know everything, because you see, as I was saying, this we were marking today. Now, see, now this is our cycle. This is not now where we know where we are. We in level 3 right now, right? This is our level 3 now, and I always say you count it once they break this level here. Once they break this level, this is now our level 3. All right, once they break this level here, this is our level, this is now is our level 2. But if they haven't broken our level 1, we're still in level 1 consolidation. We will say after the first push, level 1 consolidation, second push, level 2 consolidation. But once they break it, then we're out of the consolidation. Now we're in the level 3 push up, right? Yeah. So I hope that answers your question, that we don't take trades every day, you know. Not even every day. We take the setups that we see. If they give us a setup, we take it. If they give us a setup, we take it. No hesitation, bro. With confidence, even. Yeah, we take our trade with confidence. Ish. My PC is low. I need to put in the charger. Any question, guys? I'm glad you guys are asking questions. That really was gonna help you one day, because you getting to engage with me. You know what's happening. You answering your questions are being answered. Um, you're moving with the times. The things change all the time, right? The market changes all the time, so you need to be moving with the market. The moment the market changes, you move with it also, right? So I'm glad you guys are asking questions. It's gonna help you. It's not just about me, right? Me, I can sit here on my own and trade without even streaming there, right? Because I don't do signals. I don't wait for signals. I don't wait for someone to tell me, yeah, my guy, sell or buy. I don't use any robots, me. I hate robots, food. Hey, I hate a robot. I will never use a robot, me. I want to be a live trader. I want to know my thing. Like, I can sit down with you, me, and sit down here and look at the graph and be able to take a trade in front of you. And you'll see. Even if I take a loss, it's still fine, but I will take it in front of you, because I'm not shy. I can't wait for a robot to tell me to take a trade. No. That's why I'm saying, once you build that mentality and once you have this knowledge in your head, nobody can take it from you. A robot can crash, the system can be upgraded, and then your robot can no longer see these things that they see. But you are human. You get to able to see the changes in the market that happen. Good, no man, my setup used to happen like this. It's no longer happening like this, so it's happening like this now, or it's happening this time. Then you change your time. You change your time. You move into the time that they are doing, that they are moving in, right? So that's why I'm saying you need to build it. This thing needs to be inside you, right? It needs to be inside you, because even if you lose your phone, you lose anything that you have, but you know you can still trade. Once you get a phone, you can be back on trading, because it's not a robot that you are using. You are using yourself, your own mind, to see these things. You're not waiting for Usnoli to give you a signal. No, 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 no. You come in the market, you analyze, you see what you see, you take the trade. Right? Yeah. So that's how it is, guys. You need to build that confidence in yourself to see these things. Right? Yeah. But anyway, guys, if you haven't liked the video or subscribed, guys, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm gonna keep saying this. It's helping me grow, and the more we grow, the more we can be able to do this type of videos, guys. Right? Oh, let me put in the charger. Sorry, just 1 minute or 1 second. Thanks for the answer. From your experience, what is your most consistently hireable profitable setup? For me, I can say it's the safety trade, my guy. You see, the safety trade is very powerful. Powerful, powerful. Safety trade is the most powerful one out of them all. You know, for me, that's my bread and butter. Actually, that's my favorite trade, the safety trade. Right? Yeah, that's my favorite one. Yeah, it's the safety trade, my bro. It's the 50-200 cross. Once the 50 crosses the 200 EMA, you know, just know good that week or that day I'm gonna be begging, right? Excuse me, because you see, once the 50 200 cross, then I wait for my pullback back to the 200 EMA or the 50. You must know. You must just know good time. Once I see that, now I also know it in my bones. Good time. I know I'm gonna beg this time. I'm gonna beg. Once that happens, hi chief, I'm telling you, I'm over the moon there. I'm even dancing here alone in the house. Once I see a 50-200 cross, hi chief, I'm dancing here alone. Ish. Okay, sorry guys, but you can even still ask questions right now. I'm just gonna answer a call quick. Sorry guys. Sorry, Ish. I was busy talking here and my mic was off. So I'm saying, yeah, you need to see the type of patterns also, right? The type of patterns. There's type 1, type 2. For my safety trade, my highly profitable setup, right, or probability setup is the safety trade, right? The 50 200 crosses and then the bounce on the 50 or the 200 EMA. But also you need to know the type of pattern. See, in the Asian session box, right? You wait for the setup to be given. So if, for example, my 50 200 crosses, right, and then they bounce in the middle of the range of the Asian session, right? Yeah, yeah, Zapora. And then they bounce on the middle of the session, right? And then you know, Guti, that's my type 3 pattern. It's a type 3 pattern, but it's a safety trade also, right? So that's when you take the setup going the whatever direction it's going. Sometimes it's a type 1. See, like how they're pushing it now down. It's a type 1 pattern. Then they give us this W, and then we move it up. All right. But you see now how the momentum is right now. This is to induce people to sell. And chief, we're not gonna be selling in the market once it's been dropping like this, and they showing us that it's a 1 2 3 push down. All right. So yeah. Anyway, I'll be back now, guys. Just give me 2 minutes. Can't see what pair you're using. Hey, chief, it's gold, chief. We are trading gold. I can move this down here. We are trading gold, chief. You see up there, it's gold. You see up here, it's gold. So yeah, we're trading gold, but I'll be back now. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. A minute. I'm back, guys, and my apologies. My apologies. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, but yeah, now you can see. As I said, we're trading gold, bruh. That's all we trade in this channel is gold. All right. Let me move my chat back there and myself here. Yeah. Yeah. So, guys, if you have any other questions, you can ask, guys. You can ask. You can ask. You know, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. But yeah, now as as I was saying, guys, we're waiting for this structure to give us a nice structure here. If they don't give us, we don't take the trade. We relax. We relax. All right. That's how you become consistent. You don't just take trades because you have to take a trade. No, no, no. You must be disciplined. You see, that's why a lot of traders that are consistent and that are profitable start saying, "Guti, forex is boring." Right? Because once you're waiting here, what are you gonna be doing? Right? But for me, I'm always busy, guys. There's a lot of things I do. I do editing. I play games. I play PUBG. You know, I play a lot of games. You know, I play games. I'm a gamer. I grew up like that. I've been gaming since PlayStation 1. You know, so I'm a gamer. So that's what I do. I play games to keep me busy while I'm waiting for my setups. See, like my screen could be running like this, and I'm busy on the other screen doing whatever, right? Or I could be busy on my phone and on my PC. I'm looking at the graph, waiting for my setups. All right. So yeah, I only trade gold, Romeo. Gold is the only thing I trade, my man. I fall in love with gold. So that's why I only trade gold. And don't be shy to ask questions, guys. I always say, don't be shy. If you're shy, you're not gonna grow. And we're here to grow, guys. We're here to help each other grow. So yeah. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the boy. It's free, guys. You're not paying anything to be a subscriber. But I'm not forcing you to subscribe, man. Only if you like the content, you can subscribe. You know. If you like what we are pushing, it helps other people see, especially if you're liking the video. Thank you to everyone that's liking the video. I really appreciate. Really, I appreciate. I've been trading for years, guys. This thing took time for me to get here. At first, it was boring. Not boring in terms of that it's boring. No, it was interesting, but I didn't want to do homework. I was lazy. I was like, I homework for what? Me, I'm just gonna be trading. I'm not gonna be doing any homework here. But the more I go into the market, the more like, I understand and I need to do homework. Not that I need to. I ended up loving doing homework. You see, now I enjoy doing homework. You see, I enjoy it very much. I love it when I'm doing homework. You know, I love it, guys. And if you have any questions, don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. I'm gonna keep repeating that, guys, because guys are shy to ask questions. Um, it's not. It's. Excuse me. It's not a sin to ask a question, but you must ask, and you shall receive. You know. You never know. You might be the one that needs help, and you might be the one that gets help today. You see. So Don't be afraid, guys. But yeah, look at this. This is looking beautifully. The way they playing around here, for me, I'm loving it. They playing on my interest, my zone of interest, right? They playing around there, and which is now beautiful. Look at the rejections they are giving here. Look at these rejections that they are giving. They hit the first candle, they reject. Even here, they were busy rejecting. Steve says once they start throwing spikes to the bottom, and you still don't know where they're going, you're gonna have trouble. But yeah, this is what we are expecting gold to do, to push it all the way up there. And you see now, ne, the thing is when the graph is like this, right? There's think about it as money, right? Because now I was watching Steve's new video. So imagine all of these people that took the cells here. There's a lot of money here. That's why they're rejecting here, right? There's a lot of money. And let's say you come in here and you buy, right? Let's say there's 3 trillion people selling and there's 1 trillion people buying, for example. Where, if you were a market maker, where would you take the market, right? Obviously you want to pay the guys that it's 1 trillion guys, and punish all the 3 trillion guys that got it right, or put their cells here, right? You want to punish those people, because then if there's 3 trillion sitting down here, right, and we move it up, all of these people are being drawn down now because they took a sell. So all of this 3 trillion gets to be moved, or gets liquidated. It gets chowed by the market, right? And then once it gets chowed, we're only paying the 1 trillion guys that are there. All right, the market always does that. It always does that. And remember, us, we are small fishes in the sea, right? There's bigger guys with bigger positions here, people that have sold here, or sold from from yesterday, right? So if they sold from yesterday, they're still holding their positions, right? So once the market starts pushing up, they get into drawdown, then they finish them up, right? They finish them up, right? So that's the whole point. That's the whole thing about the BTMM. It's not actually that we're beating the market maker, we're moving with them. That's what I believe we're doing, because you cannot beat those guys. Those guys are super smart, right? You move with them. We don't beat them. We're moving with the market maker, right? So yeah, this thing is moving very beautifully. Yo, yo. Very nice gold. See, this is why I love gold. I must respect. Moving it so that it can be clean, so we can see where it's moving, right? And some they will do it here. The neckline might be there value on the 13 EM, and then pull down again to give us a second leg, and then up. Once they come back here, down here, as I said, we take the trade, we put our stop loss below the structure. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. Any questions? I'm here, guys. I'm here to answer. Let me move this thing here. Most of the, when I was beginning with the BTMM, I used to take the first leg, sometimes thinking it's the second leg. You see, with this, you think this is the first leg, this is second leg. But I got to learn that if they drop a move, you have to wait for the new W pattern, even if there's something like this here, right? A rejection going up, we'll think this is our neckline, this is first leg, neckline, then second leg. No, this is our first leg, then we need our neckline, then W, but sometimes they can give you a W right here, push it up, and then come back and hit it for the third time before they go up, and they like doing that, right? So those are the things you need to notice when you taking your setups and taking your trades, how they move. After you've taken your setup and your setup criteria has been met, thank you for the answer. Now you're most welcome. You're most welcome. Anytime. You can ask me anything, anytime. We talk about everything and everything here. I'm not afraid to talk about anything. All right. I even used to say, guys, even on my channel, right? There's videos about masturbation and things like that, how that thing is dangerous to our health. Besides even health, nje, with everything you do, nje, it's dangerous. Because imagine you want to open a business, or you have a business, right? And then before you go open your shop, you go there and you at home, right? Before you go and open your shop, you masturbate. What do you think? What energy do you think you are bringing into the shop? Do you think that it's good energy? I don't think it's good energy. All right, you'll be chasing your clients away and things like that, because you ish, I don't know how to explain it. It's a spiritual thing. For me, I'm not saying I'm a sangoma or I'm a prophet, nothing. No, I'm a spiritual person. I know, I feel things and I see things. Not that I'm seeing ghosts, guys. Don't take this wrong, right? I'm not seeing ghosts. I'm not hearing things. I'm just saying I feel things, right? Because these things are dangerous, right? You don't do it, right? It, for men, it's your it's your strong energy, it's your feminine. Feminine is for the woman, it's your masculine energy. You see, your masculine energy, that's what it brings out into in guys, right? As a female, if you preserve yourself and you don't do those type of things, your feminine energy gets to glow. People start seeing you in a different light. People will be asking you, hey, what are you using? What are you bathing with? Things like that. You look good, you look like you glowing and what, because you're not doing all of those things that are being done, right? And I always say to guys, I understand it's much easier for us guys to just do that thing because you're running away from a lot of problems, right? Like rape and stuff like that, right? All of these negative things, being sick, getting STIs and what. If you just go do your thing and then you're fine, you sharp. But it has more impact than you think in your body, even in your life in general, right? So I always speak about these things because they're important to know. Very important, very important. you know as a girl, it's very important for your feminine energy to glow. The more you preserve yourself, the more feminine energy you gotta have. You're gonna be glowing a lot. And with guys, it's your masculine energy. So I always also say, I know I like saying, I always say, you see, if, for example, that thing can create a baby, if your sperm can create babies, imagine what it can do in your body if you don't use it, right? Yo, powerful, powerful, powerful. If it can create a baby, imagine what it does to your body if you don't use it. That's powerful. Go think about that. If this thing is protein and can create a baby, imagine what it's doing to your body when you don't use it inside your body. You glow, my guy. You glow. You see, if you're a guy, a woman will start looking at you different. Will feel you from a distance. No matter where you are, even if you calling her, you speaking to her through a phone, she can feel that, no, this guy has his masculine energy. They can feel you, right? But now, if you always coming there, you always ejaculating, you're gonna have a problem, chief. Hey, you're gonna have a problem, a big one, a big problem. But you see, as we're waiting for the setup to happen, we speak about life, we speak about things happen in life, and this some of these things they don't teach us, right? These things we were supposed to be taught by our parents, but also they are in a position where they've lost this type of information. You see, like meditation, black people take meditation like you crazy, like it's Indian things or it's taboo things. But meditation is good, guys. Meditation is good because you get to sit there and think, not just think about useless things. You, even if you don't think, and not saying with you just clearing your mind to be empty. If you can do that, that's very powerful because you get to just vibrate, right? But yeah, yeah, no. Hey guys, I don't know if this topic is good for you guys. I don't know if you want me to continue with this topic or let's just focus on Forex and let me leave these things. No, let me leave these things. But if you guys want me to continue, you can tell me. Me, I'm not afraid. But I'm afraid because some people, yeah, yeah, some people won't get it, you know. Some people won't get it. Some people will get it, some people won't. And those that don't get it, I don't mind, guys. It's you're not supposed to hear it. Not everybody is gonna hear what you're saying. You know, you might disagree with me. It's fine. You can continue doing your things, chief. You know, go watch your hub there, your your P hub, and go watch it and be good there. Yeah, you'll see in the future. You'll see. But yeah, guys, for me that's it. I don't think this topic is good. It is good, ne, for us to speak about these things, but some people don't understand it, and it's not for everyone. You know, some people are not awake yet, and they will fight you. They fight for the system. Yo. People will fight you. Yo, hey, they will fight you. For me, that's why I always feel like I'm woke. You know, I'm woke. I'm woke. I've woken up a long time ago. It's just that now, just building towards to what the life I want, and then that's it. But yeah, you must be awake, guys. You don't follow the herd. When people say they're going this way, we go in that way. When people say they're going that way, we go the opposite way. You don't follow the herd. Never follow. Go against them. You'll see. You'll always you'll always be the one. If you go the opposite way, when people say no, let's go this way, and you go that way, you'll see. All right. That's how I was saying. Even meditation. You see, you use meditation with prayer, guys. Pray when you're meditating. When you're sitting there quietly, pray. And futhi yeah, when you mustn't be praying at night, chief. 12 o'clock is very dangerous. You know, that's when everything is moving. All the evil things are moving. It's very dangerous. You must do it in the morning before you go to sleep, but before 12 o'clock. Because once 12 o'clock hits, imagine they say 12 o'clock is the start of the day. No, it's not. 12 o'clock can't be a start of the day when there's no sun there. Uh, The start of the day is when the sun comes out. Then that's when the day starts actually. Not at 12 o'clock. How can a day start at 12 o'clock? Okay, right now is what? It's 1 o'clock. Imagine 12 just before 1 right now. 12 o'clock. So you're telling me that's when the night starts? No, chief, it's not when the night starts. So they're lying to us. So all of these things you need to see, but some people won't see, that's why I'm saying these things, I don't like talking about them. But if you want me to talk about them, I'll talk about them. Me, I'm not afraid of anyone. But it's not for everyone. You see, these things are not for everyone. Some people will say, this guy is talking shit. This guy is talking bullshit. He doesn't know what he's talking about. But it's fine. It's fine. Continue. Continue. Right. But for me, no, no, no. My day doesn't start at 12 o'clock. No. No, 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 Chief. It can't be. Can't be. 12. Aye, Chief. 12, 12, 12 it's midnight, 12 o'clock. It's the middle of the night. It's not the starting of the new day. The start of a new day is when the sun comes out there. Then that's the start of a new day. Around 4, 5 o'clock. That's when the day starts, actually. Not at 12. Mm-mm. I disagree. Whoever wrote that thing, no, no, he was lying to us. Snolly, can you also count the levels on a smaller time frame? Because I trade on a 5 minute time frame. Yo. Hey, you know the smaller time frames are for entries, right? You don't use smaller time frames to count levels. There's a lot of levels inside in the smaller time frames. That's why I always say there's levels within levels, right? For example, if we here, all right, and then you get 1, 2, 3 pushes, right? So these 3 pushes inside here are levels also on a smaller time frame, right? This was level 1 on a smaller time frame, level 2 and level 3. Excuse me. So you will get confused because let's say, for example, you're looking at the 5 minute time frame. Gold has been moving up, moving up, moving up, and then you start saying, no man, I don't see the 3 levels they're talking about. It's been moving 12 levels maybe on a smaller time frame. Why am I seeing 12 levels when there's 3 levels? Right? That's because in a smaller time frame they'll just keep moving up and up and up and up and up and up, right? So you analyze on a bigger time frame, right? Once you've analyzed, okay, you know where the market is, you filter it, you start going down, you look for setups, um, you filter, you keep filtering as you move down. You see W's, okay, sharp, I see a W there, it moved up, maybe my 3 levels there, then they're rejecting the high there and what. Or for example, you see here, right? We're on the 15-minute time frame. We're waiting for the W structure, right? So we move down to a 5 minute time frame to see what they are doing, right? So now once we see what, okay, now this is our first leg, they pushed it up, they come back, they give us our second leg on a smaller time frame, then we can be able to take micro setups, right? Micro setups, because then you can headshot them, you can headshot the sniper entries. That's what they call them, sniper entries. We call them headshots because if you're gonna get in exactly where they turn, imagine you buy here and then the minute you start buying they go up. They don't even reject, they don't even put you in a lot of drawdown, right? They just start pushing up. That's a headshot, that's a sniper entry, right? So that's what we use smaller time frames for, because imagine, look at how much they pushing down. If we were to count levels here, H will count a lot of levels, because I can see one a push, a pull here, and I see another one a pull, another one pull, another one pull, another one pull, right? Another one, now they pulling again, right? That's what I'm saying. So if you're gonna count levels here, imagine this. We can say it's a level, right? This is a level. This is also a level. Okay, even not even from there, from here. Maybe we can start it from here where they rejected the, this was a level, right? And this was another level, a push up, and then we got another level here. You see, so now you're gonna start getting confused, Duguti. How many levels are they supposed to be, Gandhi? You see, because now you see how they're moving. They're giving us so much levels here. Gandhi, if we're on a higher time frame, you know what's happening. You just see your 3 levels, then you go down to a lower time frame to get sniper entries to refine your entry, right? To get the best entry possible. but you analyze on a bigger time frame, then you move it down, you move down, you move down. All right, I hope you understand. I know it's gonna be hard if you're used to analyzing on a smaller time frame, and going up is gonna be a little bit difficult, because you see now even on a 15 minute you can be able to see our three pushes, right, nice and clean. Right. All right, and then now they're making our W. The push up now going to make our neckline here. We come back and drop our second leg. We take the trade with confidence. Excuse me. So yeah, I hope you understand. The lower time frame is very dangerous to analyze on. You analyze on a bigger, and then you filter down. You move down to get sniper entries. But yeah, right now we're still waiting for our W pattern. To me, this looks like railroad tracks. You know, these two candles, they look like railroad tracks. Steve speaks about them, and then we push up, come back, they give us a hammer here. We take the trade. We take the trade. No hesitation. Yeah. And I'm sorry guys, hey me, I'm like a nerd. I'm always drinking energy drinks. I know it's not good also, but yeah, I drink them. Yeah, I know some people are saying it's not good. Yeah, but everybody is doing some. Everybody is addicted to something somewhere somehow. You know, some people could be addicted to woman. Some people are addicted to cocaine. You know, drugs and stuff like that. And I'm addicted to these energy drinks. You know, but yeah, that's not what we're here for. We're not here for my addiction of energy drinks. Here, we're here for the market. Yeah, so if you have any other question you can ask, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Please don't forget to like also the video. It really helps, guys. I see the guys that are coming in are really liking the video, and I'm super grateful, guys. Super grateful. Also, if you're new, you can subscribe to the boy. You must give the boy a sub. We're sharing knowledge and content here. But yeah. Ish 3 o'clock. Yeah, I think really I am gonna end the stream around 3 o'clock, right? I think every day when we're streaming, I'm gonna end the stream around 3. But as I said, if we've already marked like this is what we're looking for. Maybe I'll even sometimes share it on the Telegram group, right? But it's you can join the Telegram group also, guys. It's free to join it there. Sometimes I'm not saying I will always share trades there. No, sometimes, because I don't want you to get used to it. You know, Snolly MM always share trades there. No, 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 chief. You must get to understand me. I can teach you to get to see these things proper, and not wait for me to give you a signal to see it. See, right now as we're waiting like this, I'm teaching you. You get to see what we see. All right, you get to see what we see. And you see, we've ever since we've been talking here, we marked it like this. If they don't do what I see and what I want them to do, we don't take the trade, guys. Don't take the trade. If they're doing their own thing, let them do it, and they will show you their hand eventually. right? Then that's when you take your trade. But otherwise, don't do it. Don't do it. I repeat, don't do it. Very nice. Gold. I love it when you respect. Uh, you see what I'm saying. You see now, like the drop, né? The breakout. There's breakout traders, right? There's people that trade breakout strategies. They break out of the Asian below Asian session. And then they say no. After breakout, you wait for what? Excuse me. You wait for a retest. What is this happening now? Doesn't this look like they're retesting, right? And then they retest the low here, they give us our neckline, then they drop again for our second leg, and you think you in profit. You'll take the trade here and then you think you in profit, but once they start moving, hey, you gone. They blow your account. They don't play with you. And there's momentum when they start moving. You will see. The more you get used to this thing, you'll see. This thing is quick. It happens very quick. You in and out of the market very quick. And 30, no, maybe I'm exaggerating if I'm gonna say 30. Maybe an hour, 2 hours, you out. You out of the market. They've hit your TP long time ago. They hit your TP very fast, right? Because now there will be volatility in the market. Once they've trapped money, they push it. They start pushing it heavily. Even when they're doing these M's and W's, right? They move the market aggressively, right? They move it up, and then they drop it very aggressively. And then once they've trapped, this move going up like this is heavy because they don't want you to. You see, you can say no, let me go pee. You come back, the market is here. Like yo, I'm in drawdown. You thinking no, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. They come back and do a read. I even showed you guys this yesterday. See your secondary entry. You do this after they've completed your W, right? You do this. Then we wait. Probably they'll push it maybe around here, né? And then they do this. And then they fly. Right. This, né? If you take your trade here, let's say for example you take your trade here, right? Let me even mark it. You execute here. They move into profit. Now you had $50 profit. They bring it back down. You had $20 profit. From 50, you had 20 now when they drop it here. What are you gonna think in your mind? You're gonna think no, they're dropping. The minute you take your trade out, they start pushing it back up again. And that's what this move is for, actually. It's also to scare these people that got it right out of the market. They scare you out of it. They always, my, 90% of the time they do this to scare you out of the trade. But for us that know, once they do this, sometimes I add another trade here. I enter again here. All right. And then I take this stop loss and put it where this stop loss is below the structure here. Right. If my stop loss was below this structure, once they give me this and I enter that trade there, I take this stop loss, I put it below the structure with that stop loss. Because now if they go down, then this one is in profit. This one, even if it's draw down, I still close with profit, right? Yeah. So that's how they do it. You must watch. Most of the time they do this. Most of the time, 90% of the time they do it. They scare you out of a good trade. The minute you get scared and you pull out, they move it. But if you know what you know, you don't pull out, you wait. Even if you don't add, sometimes don't add. As you're learning, don't add, but just watch how they come back down here. Because if you down here, ne, you're safe from all of this noise. But sometimes if you're gonna enter when they close above this neckline, let's say they close around here, you enter the trade here, then they go up, they come back down, they put you in a little bit of drawdown. You're thinking they're going the opposite way. You take out your trade in a small loss, they move it up, right? But if you down here, you're avoiding all of this noise, right? Sometimes they greedy, sometimes they might do this before they go up, right? They do it. If they do this, they bounce here on the neckline and nobody's budging, and they see a lot of people are still holding their buy positions and they cannot pay all of these people, they drop it down. But they usually don't do that a lot, but it's possible they do it. I've seen it happen, right? So be careful with that. Always watch when they do, when after they give you your setup, how they pull back again, right? Yeah. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, now I'm back. Yeah, so that's what I was saying, guys. Yeah, you must always watch. You see, you must watch how they behave here, right? This entry, you'll take it once you get used to it. Also, once your account start moving and start growing, this is gonna be your secondary entry. You'll take this, right? But for now, when you're still growing your account, don't take that trade. Just watch it. Just watch how they pull back to scare you out of a good trade before they move. But if you know what you know that you're not getting out there. As long as they haven't broken your initial low, the trade is still valid, right? As long as they haven't broken your initial low, the trade is still valid. Yeah. So watch. You must watch this thing. Most of the time, the guys that trade, they know what I'm speaking about. They've seen it happen. When you take a trade, they moving you into profit. Let's say it's even $100. They move you into $100. They pull back. You at 50. You're like, shit. I should have closed that 100. I should have closed that 100. And then you close that 50. There you take your 50, and then they move it all the way up, even more than your 100 USD that you got, or that you were gonna get. You see, so you must just be careful with that, guys. But yeah, if you have any questions, guys, you must ask me. That's why I'm here. I'm always gonna say that, guys. You must ask me questions, guys. Mm. Ha, gold. Yeah, it makes me happy when I see these type of things, you know. Okay, also, see, when you're doing your analysis and you do this, sometimes let's say you're not trading, you mark the graph. Even if you move away, you come back and they did exactly what you were thinking. That's what we do. We speculate. Us as traders, we are speculators. We speculate where the market might go and might do. The more you do this, imagine you come back and you come into the graph every day, and then you mark what you think they're gonna do, and they do it every day. They do it every day. You're gonna start getting confident with your trades. With man, I see them. I see this thing. I see it. Right. But yeah, guys, give me 1 minute. Just Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, I don't know. Every time I'm streaming, there's always things. Excuse me. But it's all good, guys. It's all good. I cannot cry for that. Let me see. No, I know. It's all good. All 100%. You see, so I know this is beautiful, guys. This is very beautiful. I'm loving what they are doing. They're respecting us. See this zone of interest here with this EMA also. Even if they just spike below it a little bit, they come back, they do this W around this EMA. Once it start moving, then you'll start seeing it clearly with, oh, this is a very nice W pattern. Some people call it the double bottom and what, you know. But this is our W pattern. This is our W. Us as BTMM traders, it's our W pattern, right? So yeah, guys, they're moving very beautifully. Always watch, this guys, you must always do. Don't just say, you're gonna come in the market and take a trade. Market where you think they're gonna go. Market for yourself with, okay, I think they're gonna drop down, they're gonna move like this and do this and this. Even if you're wrong, you're learning something. You come back the next day, you do it again. Come back the next day, you do it again. Then you start seeing them moving exactly what you say they're gonna move. Then you start gaining confidence in your trade. You're like, oh, I see. Every time you mark and then they do the same thing, they do what you said they're gonna do, you gain confidence and you gain confidence. Meaning you're gonna be doing it, and you'll even say, no, I know what they're gonna do. I know, because once you start seeing these things, they do it in front of your eyes, then you are chief. You become a powerful trader. No, nobody can stop you at that time. You become a powerful trader. They can't stop you. Even the market maker cannot stop you. But with the market makers, we're moving with them. We're not beating them. I know the strategy says beat the market maker, but we're not beating them. We're moving with them. Once they start injecting money into the market, we take trades also. We take the trades with them and we move with them, right? Best two more questions. Best time frame for Rish. Okay, let me see. Best time frame for what? The best times for each sessions and why gold. Ish. You see, for us here in SA, I don't know where you from, my guy, but I'm here in SA. Sorry, I'm here in SA. So our London session, right, starts from the opening of the night, right in the middle of the night. Once they change the day over to a new day, whatever, right, and then that's our Asian session, right? That's when it starts. But us as BTMM traders, okay, sometimes they might give you the setup in the Asian session, but that's not the rules, right? I take it sometimes because I know, right? But we wait. You wait for Asian session to finish, then outside of Asian session, then the London session begins. This finishes around 9 o'clock. Okay, so I can say from 8:30 to 10. Maybe for that 2 hours, from 8:30 you stay for 2 hours, right? For 2 hours you must be in the market observing. That's when your London open is gonna open around 9ish, going to 10. That's your trading your London session. And then from 3 3, let's rather say 3:30 to almost 5, right? So 3:30, 4, 5, you look for your setup. That's the New York session open. That's They open it around 4. you know New York session opens around that time, because even if you check here, you see it's 16, right? It's 16, so it's around that time. And you see our London session here, our London open, it's around 10 o'clock. right? So that's on the market it says 10, so around 9, 10ish. But from 8:30 you come into the market, you start observing, right? You start observing the London session, and then as I'm saying, from 3:30 going all the way to about 4 o'clock, to 5, that's your New York session, right? Yeah, that's how you trade. Oh, SAPTA. Oh, you in Pretoria, my guy. I know, that's fresh. Yeah, so those are your times. But you see, with this, that's why you need to get the template, right? Because when you have the template, it marks the sessions for you. So you don't need to worry. So you once you know your agent session box has been done, then you wait for this agent box, I mean London box to open, the blue box, right? The small blue box for the London session, right? And then that's when you trade your London box. And then even for the New York is gonna open, is gonna be red like this. That's the red box Steve speaks about. You trade the red box, right? I think they're gonna start rejecting and down, pushing it down now. They'll reject and come for our second leg. And then that's when we'll take the trade. Once they give us a hammer here, or something that shows signs of rejections, this candle, a doji, a hammer, all of those patterns, all of those candle pattern or candles that they show for each, then we take it, right? We'll take the trade. But yeah, those are your times, my guy. Those are the times that you need to look at the market and then trade. But if you have the template, it makes it much easier, right? You just follow the template, you wait for the agent box to open, and make sure it's in line, and then you'll be fine. Because with me, I had to map up my broker, because it maps out your broker. Because remember, sometimes our brokers, they from another country, right? Maybe let's say your broker is from um, Singapore, is from London or whatever. So they're using their times, all right, as a broker. So you map out your broker, which this is the time they are moving these things, this is the time they are doing this A, B, and C. Then you could, But yeah, you said you had two more questions. What's your other question? Oh, why gold? Why gold? Gold. When I started trading, you know, we were trading even currency pairs and things like that, right? So I started going into gold and trading gold, and I saw how much it was moving and how clean the setups were being given to me. Like I could see the setups, right? And then I started seeing levels on gold. To be honest with you, we were analyzing, then I had that aha moment on gold. So that's why for me, I ended up loving gold, because I got my aha moment from gold, seeing levels on gold, right? And I was with a friend at that time. We were trading. So he started. I started seeing the levels on a smaller time frame, right? And he saw them on a bigger time frame. Then when he showed me on a bigger time frame, yo, we started killing, right? We started killing. But things happen for whatever reason they happen. But the more you trade, you'll get your aha moments. It's like a light bulb that goes off. Like, oh, now I see what they've been talking about. Oh, now I see. Oh, now I understand. Because you see, if you're new into trading and someone tells you, no, look at support and resistance, you will not understand what that person is saying until you start seeing, yo, look at this beautiful rejection. Gold. You beautiful. Shame. Me, I don't wanna lie. This is beautiful. You must reject. Yeah, you can do whatever. You won't scare me, you know. But it's beautiful. Yeah, but you see, you start seeing those things, and once you start seeing, you cannot unsee it. You will see it forever, right? You will see it forever. You'll forever see it. You just have, the more time you put in into your work. Because I always say, guys, me, I'm trading the BTMM. Even support and resistance works, guys. Don't think it's not working. It works. There's guys that are making millions of support and resistance. There's guys that are making millions of what's this, order blocks. Right. So any strategy works. You just have to fight to master it. Once you've mastered that strategy, it becomes beautiful. Now you start seeing things. But if you're gonna jump around strategies, then you won't get anything right. You'll keep jumping around. That's why even for me, you see, when I was learning, I wanted to stick to gold only because I wanted to master my craft first. You see, then I can be able to move and go to other pairs and trade them. You see, at this level, I can even go trade other pairs because now I know when I open Euro USD, I know what I need to look for. When I open gold, or I mean, when I open US 30, I know what I need to look for. You know, when I open Nasdaq, I know what I need to look for. You know, but yeah, that will come in the future maybe. It's just that when I got used to gold so much that because even people having 5 pairs or 7 pairs on their watch list, right? They still, you can still make the same money they making you trading 1 pair. You trading 1 pair, you can still make that money. Look at this aggressive move they doing. Look at this aggressive move. Hmm? The market is because, look at this. It's being volatile all of a sudden. Oh, also there was news today, Moss. Huh? There was news today. Let me see. There's news today at 2:30. Right. Let's move this a little bit this way. Yeah. Now at 2:30 we have these two news that are happening. Right. This core retail sales and the retail sales. Yeah, so it might be pushing it very volatility. There's gonna be a lot of volatility pushing it up after they've completed the structure, right? They might drop it back down for our second leg before we move up. Not even that, they will drop it down for our second leg before we move up, right? And there's news at 2:30, so probably they're gonna use the news to push it all the way up, right? But yeah. You, my guy in SA, one day we'll meet, my guy. One day we'll meet. We will come there to PTA. You know, we'll come there. But we used to live there when I was young. You know, my aunt used to live there, and we used to come and visit there in PTA, Gasfontein. Yeah, Gasfontein, close to Menlyn. Yeah, we used to walk to Menlyn there to go play in that. There was this uh, gaming thingy. What did they call that thing? Galaxy World or something. Yeah, I think it was Galaxy World. Hey, we used to go play there. And then there was Izita Park, where there was a park with a swimming pool there. We used to swim there and what when we were growing up. Very beautiful, very nice place. But those are the suburbs. Maybe you in PTA Kasi there. But yeah, it's still all good, my guy. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. And 2:30 now, the news is gonna take an effect. But we have no worries. If they don't do what we want, we don't take the trade, guys. If they keep pushing it up and pushing it up, we don't take the trade. We miss the trade, it's fine. But we wanna see what we wanna see. We don't trade. You see now, ne? Imagine you take that you take the trade here. They put you into profit, then they push it down. Which pair, please? It's gold, my guy. I'm trading gold here. I only trade gold. I know my chat is here is distracting you guys that you don't see, but you see, um, you see up here it's gold, right? You only trading gold here, guys. Or I only trade gold, right? Yeah, so that's why, guys. We only trading gold. And you, my guy, you don't know. You say you're asking what pair. Did you subscribe to the channel, my guy? Because you look like a new guy to the channel. The guys that have been here to the channel, they know that I trade gold only. Yeah. But anyway, Mfethu, please give the boy a sub, my man. Give me a sub there. I would really appreciate it, bruh. We here, we sharing knowledge. And give a like there to for more people to see the stream, because yeah, we're really sharing knowledge, guys. I'm helping others grow also. You can ask me anything. I'm here to answer your questions, guys. I'm not afraid. I share what I know. If I don't know, guys, I won't be lying to you, act like I know and I don't know. Yeah, you know. But I think I know um, most of the things about the market because I've been trading for a couple of years. You know, I know what I know. Yeah, not that I know a lot. I know what I know, right? And I only share my knowledge, guys, to help you grow. You see, so yeah, guys, that's how it is. For guys that know, we're trading gold. Let me even move the secondary entry here, so we can see this thing proper. But we'll watch it. You see, once they start moving, you will watch how they behave, how they come up and come back down to the neckline. Okay, right now, if the neckline is being made there, then we'll take that as our neckline. They come back down, watch how they'll retest that neckline. They will break it all the way up before they come back down to retest the neckline there. All right, but as you can see, like for people that trade, I mean, support and resistance, you can see clearly that this is a zone here. There's a zone here, right? So there's a zone. So probably they might reject there and start dropping down. But if they don't, guys, as I said, don't take the trade. Don't force trades. We don't force trades. We let them come to us. Please do subscribe, like, and turn on your notification button. More videos like this. Thank you, my man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, we do, we do. I am planning to drop more videos, guys. You know, more videos are coming. You know, more stream lives like this we'll be doing every day. Not every day, but yeah, at least if we're doing 3 to 4 times a week, I think we'll be good. You know, you'll also start seeing the momentum of what we're doing. You'll start seeing things the way we see it. You see them. This will really help, right? But yeah, it's all good, guys. If you have questions, you know, you feel free to ask, bruh, or join our Telegram group down, and then we'll be good. Even if you want to ask your questions privately, like you don't want people to know your business and things like that, I'm here, guys. I'm here. We've been streaming for 2 hours now. It's all good. Maybe I should start the streams earlier, you know. I don't know. But we'll see. Just before the London opens, maybe we should start streaming. But that means I'll have to wake up earlier in the morning and do what I need to do. And then, yeah. Then we'll be good, guys. We'll be good. You funny gold. I'm not gonna take the trade. If you don't do what I want, alright, chief. Mm-mm. Guys, I'm not gonna chase a trade. It must come to me. Guys, I hope you're learning from how I see, my psychology is. If they don't do what I want, I don't take the trade. The market is not running away. Now, tomorrow can be a good trade and we make the money we want. Then we're good. And then we end the week with a positive vibe, you see. Now if you're forcing trade, you see, hey, they're moving up. Hey, nyasala, nyasala, you want to take the trade buying. No, 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 chief. We wait. If they don't give me my second leg, I'm not taking the trade. What am I eating? I'm eating snacks, my bruh. Or are they making noise? If they're making noise, you must let me know, bruh. I'll stop eating on the stream. I'm sorry, my man. I'm here the whole day, bruh. So I'm trying to eat something while I'm streaming. But tell me if they're making noise, bruh. You must let me know. So I won't do it next time. If it's distracting, you must holla at the boy. No, this is how we improve, guys. If you see that is making noise, we'll try and improve and not, we'll eat on the side and then come back for the stream. Or I must eat just before I start streaming and just be disciplined enough for 2 3 hours or 4 hours not to eat anything. That one you won't die for 2 3 hours. There's people that work for 6 hours, 8 hours, so they only eat at lunch. So now my lunch will be after the stream or my whatever. No, 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 it's good. All right, bruh. I know 100, 100, 100, bruh. Nah, thanks for that, my man. No problem. See, look at how they're rejecting. Even if they continue moving up, it's still fine. You see now how they're rejecting it. So actually, okay. Um, this is gonna be like this now. That's our neckline now. So this is our first leg with a lot of momentum even. Even if they don't come back down, me, I'm not worried, guys. I'll come back tomorrow for a better setup. Hmm. This is an aggressive move, huh? So much pips already. Imagine when they drop all the way down here again and they have to move all the way up again. Oh, that's a lot of pips, guys. So you have to just be patient with the market. Meaning our neckline is gonna be here, and then you see, as I always say, our secondary entry is gonna be here. Excuse me. Right? And then you must watch how they always do that. Do this. Come back to the neckline here before they continue going up again. You must just observe. Even after I log off, guys, after I end the stream, you must just watch how they do that. You must watch it. So I'm gonna remove this one now because they down with this up move. Now we're waiting for the down move and then this move. Then we good. That's all now we're waiting for. They're rejecting, and then they hoy a hammer here. They reject, they hoy a hammer, they move it down, come give us another hammer or another roll tracks also, and then we good. Then we good. Then our setup is good. We will finally find a nice clean setup. This will be a good setup if they do what we want. But if not, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. We don't chase. Let the trade come to you. And you see, Steve says don't trade until they hit the stops. So in your mind, where have they hit the stops yet? They haven't. Because I know me, when they hit the stops, the market is volatile. It moves like crazy. It starts going pa 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 pa, and then they hit the stops very fast, and then they reject, they move the original move, right? So don't trade until they hit the stops. So we won't trade until they hit the stops. We wait for them to come back down here. Even if they take their time, it's fine. Yeah, me, I'm not in a rush. I'll relax like this. If I don't find a trade, I close this thing. Fine, for today, I'm sharp. I go play PUBG there, and then I'll see them tomorrow. No stress. And I'll be laughing when I'm playing PUBG there. I won't be sad that I didn't get a trade today. No, I'm happy. I didn't waste my money today. If you don't click me, you don't waste. I didn't lose anything for today. I'm happy, my guy. But if we do make money, I'm still happy, bro. I'm still happy. I'll be even more happier. I'm happy every day. Because, for me, this is a blessing to be able to do this, right? It's a huge blessing, guys. To be able to do this every day. I don't take it for granted, trust. I really appreciate where I am, and I'm grateful for where I am. Everything, bruh. The person that I am also, I'm grateful for it. You know, that's all it is. You just have to be grateful for things. You know, if you're not happy with where you are, it's still fine. Be grateful for now for what you have, and just work to become a better person, to move and become a better person to where you wanna be. Noma ngabe uhlala eKasi, boy, don't stress. It's fine. We work hard, we push to have a better life. You'll be the one that moves your parents out of the hood and take them to a better place. So it's all good, my man. You know, be grateful, be grateful. Never forget where you come from. You see, never forget. You now when you start making money, start making serious money, and then you forget your people. No, 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 chief, don't do that. You know, your mother's fridge is empty there, Mara. You're busy in a club. The table is green there, full of Heineken bottles. Aye, chief. Aye, chief. No, no, no. That's not a good way. Fill up your mom's fridge first, and then when you go make the table green, then we'll understand. We'll respect you. With no, at least your mom's fridge is full there. Your parents are taken care of, and then you can take care of yourself. You can go enjoy your money. Nobody's gonna stop you. Even they're gonna appreciate you spending your money the way you want, as much as they. Some parents always say, "No, we don't want your money. Just go enjoy your money." But you do it out of your heart. You know, this thing of black tax, There's no black tax here. There's no such thing. This thing is for white people ruining our lives. Maybe I'm speaking in a wrong way. It's for those people that saying black tax is wrong. There's no such thing as black tax. That's where your blessings are. That's where your blessings are. Start at home, chief. Start at home. Even if you only have it's you and your sister there that's living, start with your sister, chief. Make sure she's good. Imagine if your sister can drive a car, doesn't need to worry. Imagine now, even if a guy comes to her with a car, she's not hyped about that life. My boyfriend has a car. No, she also has a car. She can drive. Teach her how to drive, right? So she doesn't have that thing with my boyfriend needs to be driving and then what. That's why we lead to wrong things, right? So don't be that person, chief. Once you start making money here, take care of your people. Take care of your people, chief. That's what we're doing this for at the end of the day. But if you're doing it for yourself, they were never there. I will still understand, chief. Even if they were never there, do something. Go say be grateful for that because it taught you to be it. It's what made you to become who you are right now, right? It's making you who you are right now. But yeah, guys, we're still waiting for the setup to happen. Yeah, now it's almost 2 o'clock. All right, there's news now at 2:30. We'll see how the news behaves. But for me, I'm thinking they're gonna use the news to drop it, or they might drop just before when 2 o'clock hits. They'll drop it down. 2:30 comes, they're gonna push it up, right? So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how they behave. Yeah, man. I Life is good, guys. I'm not saying life is good because I have everything. No, chief. Life is just good. You must enjoy it, man. You only live once at the end of the day. So you must enjoy your time here. Be happy. And my guy, these are coleslaws. You see, I'm eating coleslaws. I'm a Kasi guy. I grew up a Kasi, chief. I'm a Kasi boy. You can take me out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of me. It's like that. That's why even you see people with money, they still go to a Kasi boy up. Yeah, it's far. That's how it must be. Yabona ngabe siyakhona. We were gonna do the live streams also in Zulu, in any other language that I know. Okay, ish is Sotho, I'm trying, chief, but it's Zulu, yeah. But now I have people that only speak English and they need to understand also, you know. So yeah, but we can speak Zulu, chief. It's Zulu sasikhuluma, chief. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Mphume Kasi. I'm a Kasi boy. It's just that English is an international language. It's for people to understand you. Because you find people that are from different countries, right? They don't know Zulu. They just know English. So that's the only way we can connect. But it's all good. Oh, it's 2 o'clock now. I see you, Gold. Dala what you must, Chief. Dala what you must. Dala vajay mood. Yeah, yeah. And imagine, guys, you see, me sitting here on the stream. I know there's guys watching me, but it's almost like I'm speaking alone. Although I know I'm speaking to you guys, it's not like I can see you guys and you are responding. We are, it's a back and forth conversation, right? I'm also sitting. It's like I'm sitting here in the house alone, right? But I'm happy. I'm even laughing here alone because the things I'm thinking about. It's funny, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, nail. Ish. Yeah, life is nice. Ah, it's nice. And we're eating go slows here. Yeah, chief. Go slow dates. Funa sushi la. Sushi, you didn't grow up with these things. These things are gonna make your tummy run. Ukugijimisa ngesisu lezi zinto. Zodla izinto ongazijwayelanga. No, 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 chief. Plus, I cannot be eating raw fish nje. Hayi khona, chief. Hayi. Phenduka bo sushi king lapha. Hayi. Umuntu ubuye ekasi mara sekafuna ukudla ama-sushi. Gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a problem. Ah, beautiful. Gold. Beautiful, beautiful. Drop it. Ah, drop it. You'll see me. You'll know me well. I'm feeling hot. Let me take off this jacket. Whew, yeah, I feel much free. Much free. Yeah. If they drop, we'll take the sell live. I mean the buy live here. But now I have an hour left till I end the stream. I don't wanna be streaming like the whole day and busy be yapping here. Ngizogcina nite usinole ukukhuluma kakhulu yo. Say brought the fiel. The house noli brought the fiel. But I'm trying, guys, to show you my psychology coming into trading. That's what I'm trying to do. We don't take the trade if they don't come to us. Yeah, if they don't do what we want, leave them. Come back the next day. Yeah, today I'm gonna be playing PUBG. After I close this thing and they don't give me my setup, I'm gonna go log in and play PUBG there. I might eat first and then yeah, I just log in and play PUBG and enjoy myself. Now guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here and you like what you are seeing. Subscribe to the boy, guys. It's free, man. It's free to subscribe. Even liking the video, guys. We almost at 10 likes, guys. We need one more like to get to 10 likes, guys. Just one more. And those RRT candlesticks past the 200 EMA. If they are, I expect the price to bounce on the 13 EMA and shoot up straight. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, here is the railroad tracks. That's what I said before. These are railroad tracks here, right? We can even do this to show you. These are the railroad tracks here. Alright, let me just make this transparent. Yeah. So these are railroad tracks here. But me, I'm expecting them to come back down. Right, because there's also news involved today. There's also gonna be news coming up, so I'm expecting them to drop down, hit that same zone again, giving us a W pattern, and then they move up. But yeah, also remember, because if they've trapped money here on the railroad tracks, right, They might do this and not come back down exactly down there, but me, I'm expecting them to drop it like that and then go up, right? But yeah, even if they reject from here, it's still good. Meditation also invites demons into, yeah, meditation also invites demons into the mind that you try you're trying to empty. No, I don't think so. I don't think it invites it. That's why I'm saying it all depends, right, on you. Why was these messages being held? YouTube is blocking your messages. Just ask yourself, sex is supposed to be between two people. What's the other person that helps you to feel good and end up coming just by playing with yourself? That's definitely a spirit. If you done masturbation before, there's deliverance needed. Hi, I'm gonna show these messages. Why is YouTube hiding these messages? Hey, YouTube. Hey, man. Hey, YouTube. Don't play with fire, YouTube. Don't play like this. They don't want to show you messages. Abang. YouTube is blocking your messages. But I'm gonna go there and fix that thing. But it's fine. Okay, you see, meditation, it helps, right? Because you get to be a calm person, right? Imagine we're living in a busy world. That's everything is always busy. There's always distraction, right? For me, those are the things that invite demons because you're distracted all the time. You can't wash dishes without listening to music. You can't do A and B. When are you gonna be quiet and listen to yourself, right? Because most of the things you need to listen to yourself. There's things that you get when you're listening to yourself, right? I'm not saying empty your mind and be clean, not think about anything, right? Although it's good, it's also not good because it's you just emptying your mind. You need to know why you're doing it, right? You empty your mind, maybe let's say, as I was saying, you pray during your meditation. You empty your mind so that you pray, right? You pray. That's why I was saying don't pray at 12 o'clock. It's very dangerous. Midnight, you'll feel things. If you don't trust me, do it midnight. You'll feel things, but don't do it at 12. Do it during the day, in the morning, afternoon, just before you go to bed, or afternoon. Do it, right? But meditation doesn't invite demons. I don't know, maybe that's your perspective of how, if you've done it and you've seen that it's inviting demons, then sometimes, Pella, remember, these things are trying to block you from getting the right knowledge, right? Because meditation helps you. Pella, knowledge is in us. We get to see knowledge when we quiet. You get to see things when you're quiet. When you're busy yapping, you don't get to see. You see only when you become quiet and still and learn, right, and listen. That's what you start seeing, right? But yeah, I don't believe it does that. As Christians, we are supposed to be meditating of the Word of God. You don't empty your mind to feel peace, but you fill it with the Word of God, and peace will flow like a river. Yeah, you are right. You are right. And I wasn't saying, okay, just give me a minute. Let me answer this call. See, hola. Sure. Ngilandlini. Ngisastream. Yeah, indaba skipani. Yeah, no, so sorry, guys, sorry. Aish, my line is busy today. I God, people are calling me left, right, and center. It's like every time I speak about these topics, there's something that has to distract me. Yeah, but you see, the guy was. You might be right, but for me, I still wait for what I need to see. If they don't do it, I see the bounce on the 13 EMA now. They're pushing it up, but there's news now at 2:30. That's the problem. But yeah, meditation, guys. You see, my lady, this thing is very deep. That's the reason why they don't want us to do it, and that's why people don't do it. And you can tell when people don't do it. But I did say it in the beginning, when you're meditating, meditate on the word of God also. You don't just meditate, right? Because they know these things. When you meditate, they're gonna try and attack you. So you see, that's the problem, because you're gonna be vibrating high, right? Your energy starts vibrating very high, right? So everything in this world is vibrating, right? Even you see, like poor people are vibrating in their own frequency, right? And then there's middle class people vibrating, right? Then there's rich people vibration, that those people are vibrating very high. Like, you see how they teach kids not to be negative. Like, maybe you busy telling your kids, you've never been nothing, you wanna slim, you don't do those things, right? You give them that positive energy, because once you teach them those things, they grow up with them. They grow up vibrating in those frequencies, right? So when you're sitting down and you're meditating, you start vibrating in a different frequency. It's like walking with your bare feet, right? It's not that there's 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 a, there's energy that you get from walking with your feet, right? Because everything is vibrating, right? The vibrations that you get when you're walking with your bare feet. I'm not saying go to town with your bare feet, but if you can, you do. But even when you at home, just walk around, go outside your yard and be barefooted, right? Put your feet on the ground. You'll feel, especially if you're quiet, man. You see, the thing is, there's always too much noise around people or around us that we don't feel these energies, right? So we need to be vibrating at a certain frequency. Even when you want to achieve things, right, you need to be vibrating at a certain frequency. They say you must match the energy, the vibration of what you want to achieve, right? So once you start vibrating high, then you attract much quicker. When you're manifesting things, when you think about something like, you know I want to be successful. That's what I was saying to you guys. For me, I know, right? I know that I'm already successful. I don't know how I know, I just know, right? I know the money is already there. There's a lot of, I'm rich, guy. I'm not even rich. I always say that I'm wealthy. There's a lot of money. It's abundant. If you know forex, if there's 7 trillion moving every day, every flipping day there's 7 trillion moving in this market. You thinking you're not gonna get a piece of that 7 trillion money that's moving there? No, then you're not thinking with abundance, right? As God says, Guti, follow me, and then the rest will follow. When you follow God, when you in the word of God, then the rest will follow, right? For me, you see, now I'm gonna go deep, because these things, it's like witchcraft, right? For me, I feel like if you believe in God, it's very difficult for witchcraft to work on you. There's certain things, there's certain prayers that you pray, that you say, and when you pray, no negative energy can come and play around you. You see, because you know what you know, right? There's certain things that you do, that when you pray, you see, like praying over food. There was a reason for us to pray over food, right? It was to remove a certain energy out of the food. It doesn't matter who makes the food, right? But there's a reason why we pray over food. But guys, no, I'm gonna run away. I have to end the stream. Onja, I even forgot they called me, and they wanted. they want us to go somewhere, so I'm gonna end the stream here today, guys. But yeah, the setup, if the setup doesn't happen and it keeps moving up, it's all good. I'm not trading today. But yeah, for me, I'll wait for it to come down and then take the trade. Ish, but guys, I'm sorry. Ish, I don't want to leave, guys. I don't want to go, but I have to. You see, I have to go. But yeah, thank you for everybody for joining the stream, guys. If you haven't liked, please like the video, guys. Tomorrow, same thing. And I think tomorrow will be streaming earlier. We'll come into the stream much earlier, and then we'll take it from there. You see. But yeah, guys, this is the guy that's fetching me. You see, this is the nigga that I'm
Can
vying
they
with
see
now.
me
Now.
though?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, me,
they
I'm
see
busy
you.
looking at your phone. Ah, very much progressive, eh? Mensa.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. You see, they came to fetch me. We're going somewhere, and then yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. But yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to the boy. Tomorrow we'll be back on. I think tomorrow we'll start the stream much earlier. Right. Yeah, but also any questions, remember every day, guys, you must have questions for me. That's how we're growing here. That's how you'll also grow as a person. But I don't know why YouTube is holding my comments from other guys, from this lady here. They're holding her comments, but I'll fix that with YouTube. Yeah, I'll tell YouTube, yeah, you must let go of these messages. You see, once we start talking about deep things, this is what happens. When we go deep, hey, it's very dangerous. Dangerous. Right. But yeah.
Hey, also, guys, please go on SIG TV, Sekunda Evenda. Please subscribe on that channel. It's my channel if you want to laugh and stop making money because money is very stressful. Just go there, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Danko.
No, guys, true, guys. You can also go subscribe to SIG TV, guys. It's not a problem. Go subscribe there also. We do pranks there. We do interviews and stuff like that. You must go subscribe, guys. But yeah, guys, please let me leave the stream here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I know the guys are coming in, but I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I have to go. I can see the guys are coming in and stuff like that, and they wanna see the stream. What's the time, man? It's 20 past. You see how they moving now. See how gold is moving. Now at 2:30, they're gonna spike it down before they move up. That's my prediction. I don't think they're just gonna move it up. Right? They're gonna spike it before we move. But yeah, guys, please join the Telegram group also, guys. It's free. That's where you'll see me and ask me questions there also. And then some of the questions I'll answer on the stream. Some of them I'll answer you. Even if you send me a private message, I can also answer you guys. But yeah, for me, guys, I'm going to leave the stream right here. Thank you for everybody that joined, and thank you for everybody that liked the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to join the stream tomorrow, guys. Join the stream tomorrow. All right. Yeah. We out. We out. Peace.